Tired of Excel dates looking like a jumbled mess? Let's transform those confusing numbers into perfectly formatted dates that are easy to read and understand in just a few simple steps. First, click on the cell or range of cells containing the dates you want to change. Next, go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. Look for the Number section, and click on the drop-down menu, which probably says General right now. You'll see some preset date formats like short date and long date. Give those a try if they fit your needs. If you need more control, select More Number Formats at the bottom. This opens the Format Cells window. Make sure you're in the Number tab, and Date is selected in the category list. Here's where the magic happens. In the Type list, you'll see a wide variety of date formats. Click through them to preview how your dates will look in the sample box above. Choose the format that best suits your needs. You can select formats that show the month first, the day first, with or without the year, and even customize how the month is displayed, whether as a number, abbreviated name, or full name. Once you've found the perfect format, click OK. And there you have it. Your dates are now beautifully formatted and easy to read, making your spreadsheets clearer and more professional. Now go and conquer those dates.